is October 28th and I'm out hiking again today in Central Florida. This is the Ocklawaha Prairie restoration area, and we're going to do a trail called the Upland Trail Loop, and we're also going to take a side trip down to the levee to see the water. The Upland Trail Loop alone is about 3.4 miles, so we're going to have a nice hike. It's really nice out today. What temperature would you say this is, Dad?
That's perfect. It's probably 65 maybe. And this trail is wide open like I like it.
Okay, so this is our first hike of the season as a family, including the dog. Ta-da! Who's leading the way. Say hi, Mom.
Hey! Excited to be on the first hike.
Alright, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so we are headed out on a boardwalk on the Ocklawaha Prairie.
Water hanging on the bridge.
Breezy's not handling this boardwalk so well. She still doesn't understand that we're attached half the time by this leash.
You got a picture of this boardwalk yet? Amazing.
It's a very long boardwalk.
I've never seen a boardwalk this long.
I'm going to turn you to see it. Here we go. Ta-da! It's pretty neat. There's Breeze.
Wow, what a boardwalk.
We just finished our hike up on the loop like we said we were going to. We came across some hunters and they warned us that it is muzzle loading season, so we weren't prepared for that.
But we did it anyway.
We did it anyways, and we're all in one piece. What do you guys think?
Enjoyable afternoon.
Beautiful day for our first hike of the season. Very exciting.
Alright, see you next time.